Well, good sunny afternoon to y'all, YouTube. Welcome back. As you can see here, I've made some changes. I hinted at this on Patreon. 30 amp over there with one air conditioner running on the roof was not cutting it. With the slides out and with the heat, with this excessive heat wave, record-breaking heat, 4 days in a row, I needed 50 amp. So I'm glad I got a site here, even though there's no trees. However, I do have my canopy up, but I didn't reset up the spa hot tub. I was just going to use it for shade and shelter, but ironically, it's actually really warm in here. See, I thought I'd just keep one side off, and then it would, but we're not getting airflow through here, so unfortunately, it is incredibly warm in here, which was not what I was going for. Again, I always ask permission at the Thousand Trails to set up my hot tub. Since theirs is closed, I guess they didn't have a problem with it. But I'm also bringing in my own water. I'm not using their water, and it's plugged into my solar. So it's heated 600 watts with my solar, so it's not a drain on their resources at Thousand Trails. But again, since I got rid of it over there, the sacrifice of getting 50 amp means I don't get it for the rest of my stay. But I do have a nice, chilled 68-degree RV in there for both Jax and I, so that's good. Oh, and still full hookups here too. It seems like it's been getting quieter each day here though. My site's a little closer to the road, so I did put a cone right here, which is like to keep people from big RVs from hitting my awning right there. Nothing I can really do about that. But yeah, it's been getting quieter around here. The YouTube, I can't live stream. It takes forever to upload a video. We're not able to use any of our streaming services here, which is ironic. They want us all to quarantine and stay in place and stay inside, but nobody's got any workable internet. I mean, it takes me literally 24 hours to upload a video. I'm not kidding, 24 hours. But it's a perfect time to continue to get my steps and exercise and really push it here at the end. I've been making so many trips back and forth. The one thing you can do is go up here. I'm gonna show you. There's one thing open, and that is the mailroom delivery, which is really funny because you still got to keep your 10 feet of distance between people. So people are like lining up. It was the same way at the post office. I went into the post office here in town in Orlando, and they had tape marked on the ground. They only allow 4 people in the post office at a time. Everybody else has to wait outside, and inside they got taped squares every 10 feet away. We are living through something like stories that we'll be able to tell people for the rest of our lives. This is so new to any generation going through this, and it's incredible what we're doing. Remember, this is the biggest Thousand Trails in the entire country here in Orlando. Something a little unique is they've got a trash compactor for your trash. They've actually got 3 of them so they can rotate through, but there are no dumpsters or trash facilities anywhere in this monstrous park. So when I was over in the D section, it's 2.1 mile walk to dump your trash. It's a good walk. And like anywhere else right now, any indoor place is closed, so you can't go inside and do anything. I don't know if you can play outside. You get the social distance, so I don't know, but you probably can't. Can't play any of these outdoor games. Maybe like tennis or pickleball over there because you're so far away, but you're both touching the same ball. I don't know, man. So, it's basically just to stay in your RV, but come out to exercise and get fresh air whenever you like. Yeah, let me show you the mail room over here. This is the pickup window. They sanitize the pen to sign it every single time, and they give you wipes when they hand you your package so you can wipe down the exterior of your packages. They're doing their part here to not spread anything. Good to go. I'm not taking advantage of the system. Some things you just can't get in the stores right now, like toilet paper. Don't get me started. It's ridiculous. Does it still exist out there? I don't even know if it does. I haven't seen it. I haven't seen anybody else with it, so I don't know. Well, we got the sun setting over here on the other side of my RV. Well, the sign of less extreme heat coming. Yeah. I believe we're supposed to dip down to 90 degrees by 9 p.m. Down to 90 degrees. Whew. I'm not wearing my glasses right now because every time I come outside my RV where it's air conditioned, come out here, they fog up instantly with the humidity. Yeah, it's crazy, man. Dealing with a few personal battles here right now, and just trying to stay sane and figure everything out. Don't think I'll be shooting out a video every 48 hours since it's become so difficult to do here. You know, I can create videos, I can't get them pushed out as often. It's kind of weird. Plus, I might be having a new hobby here. Let me show you something. Yeah, I just unboxed it. It's a piano keyboard to teach you how to play the keyboard. So, I guess we're gonna try that, right, Jax? Yeah, turn it on, learn some songs, learn some music. I still got my guitar, my mandolin, and my violin under the bed. Oh, let's try this. I haven't used this yet. I got a little light for the GoPro so that I can film in low light conditions and possibly outside at night. So yeah, I'm starting to get to the point where I just don't think I'm gonna stay here at Thousand Trails past when the days are not record-breaking heat. Like I said, I do have some other options both east and west of here, and I'm starting to go stir crazy, you know? There's only so much you can do, and as the days and weeks continue, we're starting to get a better glimpse that I'm sorry, guys, we're not going back to normal anytime soon. Without talking about specific news or political stuff, no, the evidence is there. I know we got to stay positive. One day we will be back up and running as a country, but that day is not going to be soon. So I'm going to start researching what I'm really allowed to do, and what I can do, cause yeah, starting to get discouraged. I have plenty to keep busy. It's just starting to get discouraged. But also, you know, hey, tell me in the comments below, what are you doing to stay busy? What kinds of activities could you maybe suggest to other people or myself that is helping you get through this? Let me know in the comments. Otherwise, I'm gonna try to shoot this video out, get it started, edited, uploaded, so that it'll be ready for tomorrow. So yeah, you guys take care, and I'll see you when I can with an update, okay? Okay guys, bye-bye, be safe. That's all I know so far. But not bad for just having this for 30 minutes.